Hello, beautiful people. So, as usual, I am bringing you another good news, right? So, this one is for people that want to move down to Europe. So, there's this amazing opportunity to move down to Europe for free, like free. Okay. So, if moving down to Europe is what you want to do, you know how expensive it is to relocate. If you're being honest, relocation is not the cheapest things, right? If you want to go through study, you have to pay your school fees, you have to pay for upkeep, accommodation, flight tickets. There's just so much going on, right? And many people are being delayed with their relocation, plans because of finances. So that is why I usually do all this research so I can find ways you can do it cheaper or for free. And this is one of those opportunities to move down to Europe for free. And this is an amazing European country, one of the best countries right now for migration. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you all about this opportunity, how you can take advantage of it and all of that. So do stick with me to the end.
If you're here for the first time, my name is Jackie and welcome to my channel. Do subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you always get first-hand breaking information about ways to relocate abroad, to study, to work, and to leave. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate your support. Thanks for always watching. And please do me a favor. I need a favor from you right now. It is free. It is easy. Just smash the like button, hit the like button, like this video just to appreciate the work that I do here. Thank you so much. And if you'd like to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email and we can arrange that so you can talk about your own personal needs for relocation.
So these are the allowances you're going to be getting here: study allowance, special allowance, school meal allowance, and reimbursement of travel expenses. All right. So this is really good. So there's study allowance. So you're going to be studying for free, like your study is going to be paid for. And then you're also going to get school meals free, right? So basically everything is funded. So there's funding for everything, even your travel expenses. So the flight ticket you're going to pay down to this country to study is going to be reimbursed to you. So this amazing country is Estonia. Estonia is this amazing country in Europe. It is a member of the European Union. It is part of the Schengen zone. Amazing country. Estonia is fast becoming a global tech hub. There are so many multinational companies that have their headquarters in Estonia. Estonia is also home to hundreds and thousands of experts. Many people are now, seeking to move down to Estonia to live, especially professionals, people that work in the tech space and whatnot. So Estonia is one of those countries you really want to go to. So let's explore this opportunity together. So this is a vocational school. It is an international, vocational school. They are currently taking international applicants, right, into this vocational school, and they major in logistics. So this is a logistican level 5 training. All right. So the name of the vocational school is Valga County Vocational Training Center. All right. And this is information about the vocational school. Okay, let's read it. The Valga County Vocational Training Center provides an excellent learning environment, in particular in the field of logistics, with regard to its technological, economic, and background, combined with history, incorporation of vet institutions, right? So that is what it's about. So it's logistican level 5. The international training offers for motivated students and logistics specialists from different countries an opportunity to upgrade their competencies, their knowledge, and skills for their future work, management, administrative responsibilities in the logistics sector, right? So that is what it is. So about this program is going to run for 2 years. It's a 2-year program, and it starts from September 2023 to June of 2025. So the first year is going to run from September 2023 to June 2024. It also includes one period of internships in companies, and then the second year is from September 2024 to June 2025. It also includes 2 periods of internships in companies. So this is really cool. So while you're studying, you also have internship opportunities so that you can begin to have Estonian work experience, which is going to count for you after your studies, so you can quickly get a job placement in the country. So the admission conditions, the reception of students for the Logistics Level 5 International Study Group starts on 8th of May 2023. So that is when it started. And the student candidates must submit all the required documents and approvals to the admission committee. And this is the email address there. And then you need travel documents, your passport, which has to be valid up until 30th of June 2025, and a medical insurance policy that should be valid till 30th of June of 2024. All right. So high school graduation certificate is what is needed here. So you don't need a degree to do this. So whether you have a degree, you don't have a degree, you can apply for this. All right. And then you need to go through the NARIC, right? You need to go through NARIC as well. So that is something you need to do to prove your English language proficiency. Yeah, so the official language in Estonia is Estonian, right? But this studies is going to be in English, so you need to prove your English proficiency for you to be admitted into this school. And then, there are other requirements here, so you can go through it. You can see the other requirements that they have right here. And now this opportunity is very, very urgent. So it's for people that already have their documents on ground. So I always advise, if you want to travel, make sure you have your passports, make sure just have your things on ground so that when an opportunity springs up, you take advantage of it immediately. And this is one of those opportunities that you need to apply like right now. The deadline for receiving documents is on the 11th of June. And that is just tomorrow, right? So that is just tomorrow. So if you have your documents ready, go ahead and apply today, okay? So that you can also meet up for the tomorrow's deadline. So you have today and tomorrow basically to send in your application. So that is for those from third countries, right? So if you're from a third country, then your deadline is 11th of June. And for other candidates, it's 11th of August, right? So that is it. So because, those from third countries need to apply for visas, and also you need time. So that is why it's closing before others. And then an online interview will be held on the 21st of August to the 22nd of August for students who have been selected. So if you're selected, obviously you're going to get an email and they'll schedule you for your online interview. And then confirmation of the interview and results will take place no later than 25th of August. And students who have been selected must confirm their attendance no later than 31st of August. Final confirmation of the results of admission of students of the study group on 1st of September 2023, and then the planned start of the studies is on the 18th of September. All right. So that is how it works. This starts in September of this year. And if you're from a third country, you have up to tomorrow to apply for this. So you need to take advantage of this immediately. So there's information here about the contact person, the leading teacher of logistics faculty. This is the name, this is a phone number and email address. So if you need to contact them, you can do that. But because of time, just go ahead and do what needs to be done. So I'm going to leave the link to this in the description box so you can go ahead and see all the other information they have here for studies, student life, services, about this school, the allowances and the admission. So like I said earlier, they have allowances here. The students of Varga County Vocational Training Center can have the right to apply for the following allowances: study allowance, special allowance, school meal allowance, reimbursement of travel expenses. So you can apply for all of these allowances. So the study allowance is a financial support for full-time students with good study results studying on places funded by the state budget. And then special allowance is a form of financial support for a student who has obstacles of studying, like difficult economic situations. So if you can't afford this, that is where the special allowance comes in. So this is for everyone basically. So if you can't afford it, there's allowance for that. Then school meals as well. You're going to be getting school meals while in school, and then they're going to reimburse your travel expenses as well. So you can apply to get reimbursed for your travel expenses. So like I said, the link is in the description box. So go ahead, see all the information and then apply for this. So let me know in the comments after you apply. If you're successful, do come back and drop a comment here. And if you are not able to meet up for this, drop a comment, let me know so that I can come up with other videos for other opportunities you can take advantage of. So when you apply, let me know. If you can't apply, also let me know, and then I can do something for you. And then also let me know which country you are and which country you want to go to, so I can make videos on the opportunities that are for you.
If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, that is a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already, so you can be seeing more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.